What's up, guys? Welcome back for another video. And if you're into Huck's World, today we got a nice watch face for you all to check out. More so geared toward the weekend, but you can wear this on any given day. The name of the watch face is called Minimal DJ Face. I like this look. I love the design of this one. Definitely, it's a unique watch face. In the AOD mode, pretty much you're going to get the same thing, but it's going to have a slightly different look. I like this look in the AOD mode, but once the watch face is on, again, the design is on point. It's different, but yet subtle and nice. It's a digital time. I like the stack time. You're going to get your date. You're going to get your month, and it's geared toward fitness, so it's going to give you your step info and your heart rate. Now, it is not interactive, but to be free, it really don't have to be. It gives you your information right up front. I thought it was a nice look for a weekend wear, just trying to get you ready for the weekend. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this video. If you enjoyed it, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. Share it on social media and with all your friends. And if you want to see more videos like this, then make sure you subscribe to the channel. And as always, I'm going to see you all again at the next video. Take care.